Hi, this is Group 6 presentation for Assignment 2, SBEQ 4324, Project Evaluation and Development. Below are the team members and their position. Managing Director, Noor Aina Binti Maha. Project Manager, Korwen Tat. Contract Manager, Tancho Seen. Finance Controller, Nurul Sakina Binti Ritsuan. Let's look at site and location analysis. This site is located at Malacca State, which regional at middle of Malacca. Malacca City is just 18 kilometers from here. Malacca International Airport is just 5 kilometers away. The overall size of the land is 61.6133 hectares. Regarding vegetation, the existing land is empty land, but partial of it still covering by small trees and bushes. Topography and soil condition. The physical ground condition of land is suitable for any development to be commenced without the problems such as high underground water levels that need to carry out dewatering. The major land area is flat with no problem with sloping, but it is higher than the normal ground level. Main access is via the Sungai Udane to Air Karo Highway or simply the Spot Highway. Approximate 144 kilometers of journey from Kuala Lumpur, while 213 kilometers from Johor. The accessibility will provided to three side, which is connect the road at Taman Krabang Perdana. The second lane will be opened and connected to Krabang Perdana Lake. The third lane will be passed through the Palm Estate to Main Road. Residential development. There were several housing estates, including Taman Krabang Perdana, Krabang Permai, Kampung Tabing Tinggi, Taman Beliming Harmani, Krabang Jaya, and Krabang Village, Kampung Krabang. It also has an industrial zone, Krabang Technology Park. This area is in progress of commercial development. Commercial business can found here such as restaurants, J&T Courier Service, M&M Mart, 7-Eleven, Mr. DIY, or 2 Ringgit Shop, T-Live, 99 Speed Mart, and so on. This industrial development in Krabang, which about 5 kilometers from proposed site in 7 minutes if by car. Here to describe about infrastructure and utilities facilities, which consists of existing traffic and transportation system. Malacca Paina Amal bus services. 9 kilometers of Malacca International Airport, whereby airlines mainly running routes to Pekanbaru, Indonesia, Tanjung Pinang, and Medan, via Subang Airport. Malacca Central Bus Station, 15 kilometers from proposed site, while Plaza Tol Air Karo Highway, 11 kilometers from proposed site. Existing community facilities, which consists of mosque, clinic, school, and jogging park. Within 5 kilometers can be found existing religion facilities such as Surah Al-Qadr Taman Krabang Perdana and Masjid Ar Rahman. Facilities by government here are mean to Klinik Kesehatan Malaysia and Sekolah Menengah Agama, SMK Kiraban. Jogging Park, Taman Bimbingan Kanak-Kanak, Pertubuhan Kebajikan. Existing public utilities. There have many type of public utilities like home appliances shop, hardware shop, mini market, preschool and nurseries, clinic and healthcare center, restaurant, and also workshop can be found at here. Petrol station. Look at existing petrol stations such as Petronas and Petron, which is located near to proposed site. About Bank, Bank Muamalat, CIMB Bank and M Bank are located slightly far from site. Electric and water supply. This is electrical supply by Tenaga Nacional Berhad, TNB, under supervision TNB Middle Malacca, and water supply by Sirika Air Malacca Berhad under supervision SAMB Middle Malacca. Drainage and sewerage system, basically flow to nearest river. Sewerage system under supervision in the Water Consortium, IWK, Negeri Malacca centralized at Sungai Udane. Malacca ICT Holdings SP and BHD, MIC, is a wholly owned company of Malacca State Government through the Malacca State Trust Fund. Established in July 2003, MIC has been given the responsibility to drive the development of the telecommunications and ICT sector for the entire Malacca State. Material supply such as brick manufacturer, cement and concrete supplier. Following with steel supplier and paint supplier. After that is hardware shop and tile supplier. Plant and machinery supply. This is water quality index. Waste management separate to two items, which is the location of solid waste disposal site and disposal site design. Local potential analysis. Malaysian economy decreased by 4.5% in the third quarter of 2021 after recording a growth of 16.1% in the second quarter. All economic sectors registered a contraction, particularly the construction sector, which was impacted in July under Phase 1 of the NRP, but subsequently recovered as restrictions were gradually eased. Domestic demand weighed down mainly by the contraction in private consumption and investment activities, while continued increase in public sector consumption spending provided support to growth. Malacca economic performance. Malacca economic performance. Malacca economy recorded a decline of 5.9% compared to the positive growth in the year 2019, 2.9%, which was influenced by the services, manufacturing, and agriculture sectors. GDP per capita of Malacca. GDP per capita recorded a decline compared to 2019. However, Malacca recorded GDP per capita above the national level with a per capita value of 40,936. Household income of Malacca 2020. Malacca's average monthly salary and wages were decreased by 2.2% to 2,925 ringgit compared to 2,990 ringgit in 2019, which was slightly affected due to the pandemic COVID-19. Consumer Price Index. Malacca recorded an increase in the CPI, 2.3%, which surpassed the national CPI level of 2.2% in September 2021, compared to the same month in the previous year. The increase was attributed by food and non-alcoholic beverages. Population and growth rate of Malacca. Malacca population grew 0.4% to 931,800 in 2021 from 928,400 in 2019. Malaysian citizens account for 95.8% of the state population in 2021. Malacca Middle District has the most number of people in 2020 with 568,300. Followed by Alor Gajah District with 209,200, and Jasin District with 154,300. Strategic Direction and Strategy Development Malacca 2035. Malacca's Strategic Plan, PSMJ 2035, was developed to drive the direction of the next phase of development for Malacca. Malacca Key Result Areas, MKRA, refer to main areas of achievement for Malacca in the 15 years from 2021 to 2035. The MKRA will serve as detailed guidelines to explain the efforts to achieve the vision and mission of the state government. There are 5 MKRA have been established, namely: Number 1, industrial and economic revolution. 2. Sustainable development and the people's well-being. 3. Widening smart initiatives and data empowerment. 4. Developing the local population's economy. And 5. Empowering tourism and education industries to a global level. Malacca State Development Direction 2035. In line with the 5 MKRA that have been established, 8 flagships have been selected to drive the development of Malacca over the next 15 years. These development objectives are detailed through the strategies established for the respective flagships. Flagship 1, Economic Development Zone, Malacca Waterfront Economic Zone, MWEZ. Flagship 2, Sustainable Management of Water. Flagship 3, Integrated Development. Flagship 4, Digital Malacca. Flagship 5, Malacca, an Entrepreneurial State. Flagship 6, Malacca Tourism State. Flagship 7, Malacca Education Hub. Flagship 8, Prosperous Malacca, Unity, Welfare, Health, and Youth and Sports. Development planning by state and local government. Local Plan Majlis Bandaraya Malacca Persejahteraan 2035. The local plan is an official document that interprets the general policies and recommendations contained in the state structure into more detailed and practical physical form. Shows the development layout for an area accompanied to explain the policies and details more on the development. A proposed development located at Krabang in Middle Malacca District. Middle Malacca is the most built out, with the highest urban density, and includes the historic Malacca Center. The total area of Middle Malacca District under MVMB is 31,400 hectares. The total for construction land use is 7,958.21 hectares, which represent 13.73%. Based on Runjan non-term Padan MVMB 2035, Mukim Krabang under category land area of planning zone 4, which is for development. Future prospect. Development aspect proposed. The proposed project for the selected site is a condominium with shopping complex that consists of office lot, parking bay, and outdoor public space. All this facilities is provided to ensure the conformability for our future clients. Target group. Target customers are mainly families that have children and people that working near to the city. It can benefit from our development as there are all public amenities near the city and easy to get all the needs in one place. SWOT analysis. Strength. The proposed site is located at a strategic location where it is near the Malacca International Airport. Z access network of roadways via the Sungai Udang Air Karo Highway. The proposed site is near to many facilities such as Krabang Technology Park, Hang Jebat Stadium and Krabang Village, Kampung Krabang. Availability of land that is suitable for proposed mixed development. Add existing access road to the site. Weakness. Due to the proposed site near to many residential and schools that might increase the rate of congestion, traffic jam. Proposed site is by the roadside and next to the residential area, thus safety factor and planning is important to avoid any incident happens that will affect the construction project. The opportunities. Pleasant environment where it is surrounded by many utilities such as school, sports facilities, and near to city had made the life of occupants easy. Location is near to commercial area and some facilities have been provided close to the location which can help to boost up the demand and sell off the proposed project. Threats. Heavy vehicles and traffic will increase the rate of pollution or even accidents rate to the proposed site. There are many competitions between residential in that area because there are a lot of houses such as terrace houses and semi-D houses located nearby. Construction market in Malaysia is now unstable due to the current poor economic situation, which causes a lot of property and houses unsold available in the market. Conclusion. Based on the surrounding analysis, all the labor and construction material supply, infrastructure, and utilities, facilities, transportation systems are easy accessible. Strategic location could definitely attract more investors to invest in our proposed development. Moreover, the electricity, telecommunication and water supply are available at our proposed site, as there are the development nearby. Thanks for watching.